Hello everyone, this is the peeling solution from The Ordinary. It's red, as you can tell. Sorry, AHA 30% and BHA 2%. And it's a 10-minute exfoliating facial. So it's very important that you only keep it on for 10 minutes or less. Actually, I think it says to start with less and then build time. But do it like 2 times a week, and you can even build up to 3 times. You should always do a patch test on your skin first to make sure it works well with your skin. And basically I use it about 3 times a week whenever my skin has like really gone through it because I either didn't drink enough water or stayed up too late or had to, like the makeup stayed on too long. If I see my skin's looking particularly dry or like not very fresh, I will use this serum as a part of like my skincare routine, usually after the cleanser because you're supposed to put it on clean skin. And it's honestly like really good for your skin because it exfoliates multiple layers of the skin for a brighter, more even appearance. So I do have some sunspots, and when I'm tired, like there are some, like my under eye circles are darker. So I feel like it does give me like a very bright look at the end of it, and especially with like regular use. So it also reduces irritation that can be associated with like acid use. So this is an at-home peel that helps even skin texture, clear pore congestion, which I'm having some of right now, and improve uneven pigmentation. So I do usually recommend using this like around nighttime just because that's when I do my whole skincare routine. And just like you should moisturize after because it is like a peel. So I'm just going to go ahead and put on my face. And I'm just going to check the time just because it is a peel. So you do want to be very precise with the timing. So it's exactly 6 o'clock. I'm going to set a timer for 9 minutes because I don't want to keep it on too long. And yeah, or no, I'm gonna set a timer for 10 minutes. And yeah, no, I usually do this in front of a mirror, but so I am putting on my face. It is a little like tingly, I'd say. Like I had this like one little bump that I picked at, so it's kind of not, it took me out by surprise there, but other than that, yeah, I'm just kind of being really random with it. So yeah, I just like put a thin layer all across my face and my nose, especially my nose. And yeah, I'm just gonna like let it be like this for 10 minutes. Okay. Hi, so I washed my face. I just washed it off with warm water slowly. You can see my face is a little red right now because it is a chemical peel. So I'm just gonna like wait for the redness to go down a bit, and then I'm probably gonna put some moisturizer on.